بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
إنا أرسلنا نوحا إلى قومه أن أنذر قومك من قبل أن يأتيهم عذاب أليم.
We sent Noah to his people and directed him, warn your people before a grievous chastisement comes upon them.
قال يا قوم إني لكم نذير مبين.
Noah said, my people, I have certainly been sent as a clear warner to you.
أن اعبدوا الله واتقوه وأطيعون.
That you serve Allah and fear Him and follow me.
يغفر لكم من ذنوبكم ويؤخركم إلى أجل مسمى إن أجل الله إذا جاء لا يؤخر لو كنتم تعلمون.
He will forgive your sins and will grant you respite until an appointed term. Indeed, when Allah's appointed term comes, it cannot be deferred if you only knew.
قال رب إني دعوت قومي ليلا ونهارا.
He said, my Lord, I called my people by night and by day.
فلم يزدهم دعائي إلا فرارا.
But the more I called, the farther they fled.
وإني كلما دعوتهم لتغفر لهم جعلوا أصابعهم في آذانهم واستغشوا ثيابهم وأصروا واستكبروا استكبارا.
And every time I called them so that you might forgive them, they thrust their fingers into their ears and wrapped up their faces with their garments and obstinately clung to their attitude and waxed very proud.
ثم إني دعوتهم جهارا.
Then I summoned them openly.
ثم إني أعلنت لهم وأسررت لهم إسرارا.
And preached to them in public and also addressed them in secret.
فقلت استغفروا ربكم إنه كان غفارا.
I said to them, ask forgiveness from your Lord. Surely He is most forgiving.
يرسل السماء عليكم مدرارا.
He will shower upon you torrents from heaven.
ويمددكم بأموال وبنين ويجعل لكم جنات ويجعل لكم أنهارا.
And will provide you with wealth and children, and will bestow upon you gardens and rivers.
ما لكم لا ترجون لله وقارا.
What is amiss with you that you do not look forward to the majesty of Allah?
وقد خلقكم أطوارا.
When He has created you in stages.
ألم تروا كيف خلق الله سبع سماوات طباقا.
see how Allah has created 7 heavens, one upon the other?
وجعل القمر فيهن نورا وجعل الشمس سراجا
And has placed the moon in them as a light and the sun as a radiant lamp.
والله أنبتكم من الأرض نباتا
And Allah has caused you to grow out of the earth so wondrously.
ثم يعيدكم فيها ويخرجكم إخراجا
And He will later cause you to return to it and will then again bring you out of it.
والله جعل لكم الأرض بساطا
Allah has made the earth a wide expanse for you,
لتسلكوا منها سبلا فجاجا
so that you may tread its spacious paths.
قال نوح رب إنهم عصوني واتبعوا من لم يزده ماله وولده إلا خسارا
Noah said, My Lord, they did not pay heed to what I said, and followed those nobles whose possession of wealth and children has led them to an even greater loss.
ومكروا مكرا كبارا
They contrived a plot of great magnitude,
وقالوا لا تذرن آلهتكم ولا تذرن ودا ولا سواعا ولا يغوث ويعوق ونسرا
They said, Do not abandon your deities, do not abandon Wad, nor Suwa, nor Yagut, nor Ya'uq, nor Nasr.
وقد أضلوا كثيرا ولا تزد الظالمين إلا ضلالا
They have misled many, so do not enable these evildoers to increase in anything except straying from the right way.
مما خطيئاتهم أغرقوا فأدخلوا نارا فلم يجدوا لهم من دون الله أنصارا
And so they were drowned on account of their sins and then cast into the fire and did not find any other than Allah to come forth to their help.
وقال نوح رب لا تذر على الأرض من الكافرين ديارا
Noah said, My Lord, do not leave out of these unbelievers even a single dweller on earth.
إنك إن تذرهم يضلوا عبادك ولا يلدوا إلا فاجرا كفارا
For certainly, if you should leave them alive, they will mislead your servants and will beget none but sinners and utter unbelievers.
رب اغفر لي ولوالدي ولمن دخل بيتي مؤمنا وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات ولا تزد الظالمين إلا تبارا
My Lord, forgive me and my parents and whoever enters my house as a believer, and forgive all believers, both men and women, and do not increase the wrongdoers in anything except perdition.